Hey everyone! Welcome back to Build and Learn, where we turn code into creative real-world projects. Today, I'm showing you something super practical and stylish, a fully responsive clock web app that includes an analog clock, I'm a digital clock, and a timer, all built using HTML CSS and JavaScript. Let's start with the analog clock. It's clean, minimal, and it works in real time. Each hand moves smoothly based on the current system time, and I've styled it with Roman numerals and a glowing center, just like a real clock. Next is the digital clock, perfect for users who prefer simplicity. It displays the exact time with a modern look, auto-updated every second. And finally, the set timer page, super useful for productivity. You can easily set, start, and reset a countdown timer, making this a practical feature you can actually use day-to-day. All of this works beautifully on both desktop and mobile thanks to responsive design, including a sidebar menu with a hamburger icon that makes navigation easy, even on small screens. If you'd like to build this project step by step or want access to the source code, just comment "Clock Project Tutorial" or "Source Code." I'll be uploading the full build guide very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy projects like this that help you learn by building, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Build and Learn.